What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. It really means a lot to me. For today's video, I'm going to try my hardest to achieve this look right here, which is from MANNYMUA. I love Manny. He has been such an inspiration to me since I started makeup. I have been watching his YouTube videos for a little over a year and a half, which is how long I have been doing makeup. I just am obsessed with him, and I'm obsessed with this look. And the name he gave it, Cranberry Princess look, like seriously. Of course I have to do this look. Further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So before picking out the look that I was going to do today, I first went into his description box and made sure that I had similar or the same products that he had, just to make sure that I can get the closest to this look as I possibly could. And for this look, Mr. Manny decided to use the Jaclyn Hill palette, which y'all know is like one of my fucking favorites. So I'm super excited to use this today. Alright, he first went in with the Silk Cream color, which is obviously my favorite transition shade, as you can see of how much I've used. Tap off the excess, and we're going to go ahead and put this in our crease. Okay, next he took the colors Jacks and Buns. He then dabbed that on the outer corner and then swooped into the crease. Then back in with the brush we used for Silk Cream, and we are going to go ahead and blend those two together. Okay, he then took the shade Roxanne and put that on the outer corner and swept that into the crease, and I'm going to do that as well. Okay, next he took the shade Chip and put that on the outer corner just to make it nice and smoky. Okay, next he went in with the shade Crayon Apple, which is seriously so fucking cute. Like, it is everything. And I'm going to go ahead and put that on a packer brush. Of course, going to go ahead and wet that with some setting spray. Okay, he then took the shade Jacks and went ahead and blended those colors together because we are not going for a cut crease today, hunty. He then took the shade and light, that is Beam. He then took the shade and light and used that to highlight his brow bone. Okay guys, this is what we should have so far. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do my other eye off camera along with my liner and mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, next he took a brown eyeliner pencil, which is gel. I fucking hate brown eyeliner, but for the sake of the video, I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put a generous amount of this in my lower lash line. This isn't even brown, this is like gold or something. I guess I'm just going to smudge a shitty little amount on this eye like I did the other, just to make it even. Yeah, that's enough of that. Just going to take this brush and dip into Chip again, which is that darker shade that we use to deepen up the corner, and just smudge this along the lash line. Yeah, that looks way better. Next, just going to take a small pencil brush with a little bit of Chip and just smoke out that lash line. Okay, he then took the Urban Decay Midnight Cowboy and put that in the inner corner of his eyes. Well, I don't have that, so I'm going to be making this gold glitter here, which is M Princess in Melting Maple, and I'm going to go ahead and put that on the inner corners of my eye. Alright guys, well this is how the look turned out, and I'm actually super impressed with it. If you guys did like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me. I will also go ahead and link Manny's original video down below in the description box. Again, thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys!